Okay, another hair product I picked up. This is K18 Bioemimetic Hairscience. I use a hair oil in my hair every day. Right now, I have a leave-in conditioner on my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this molecular repair oil on my hair, and I'll let you see what it looks like. It's supposed to help damage hair, help with things that can cause frizz in your hair. It gives you frizz control. It helps to repair damaged hair, and it can act as a 450-degree heat protectant. It looks like this. I'm going to shake it up. You can actually put this on both damp and dry hair, but I'm going to put it on my dry hair. I'm going to put a couple drops in my hand, rub it together, and I'm just going to massage this into my hair. I am a true believer in using hair oils on your hair. It really makes your hair shinier, helps to control frizz, and I think it even kind of helps to define your curls. Really nice, has a really great smell. K18 Bioemimetic Hairscience.